YouTube, what it is, what it do? It's your boy, and we is back with another POV video. Woo! Another POV video, you feel me? Oh, look at this shit popping, going crazy that day. Fuck going on, y'all? Y'all, I apologize for me not consistently uploading like I should be, because, you know, I did say a video every week. But, you feel me? Your boy is behind the scenes working, and, you feel me, trying to get right, man. Trying to get right for the PNY fam. But some sign, you know, I got to hit y'all with a POV drive. Had a little drive today. Had to sell my old rims. Well, one of them. And then, you feel me? Yeah, so I said, let me go ahead and pick up the camera, because, like, why not? Why not? Let's do them pops. Oh, my God. Oh, run them back ones down. Oh, yeah. And let me know if y'all like will want a non-talking POV. Like, I'm not talking a whole lot. Matter of fact, I may make this it. I almost stutter right there. That's why I was talking slow. But yeah, I might do this video kind of like that. Not a whole lot of talking, just straight pools and highway, man. You feel me? Because I ain't gonna lie, I can't really cut up because, like, you feel me? It's like a straight road, but some sign. Yeah, so I can't really do a whole lot of crazy shit. I can only just drive straight. So all I can really give y'all is some pools. But you see me, I'm gonna get right for y'all some sign. And we are in custom mode right now. So yes, sir. Almost missed my turn. What the fuck? I'm going too crazy. I'm gonna make my goddamn turn. I would have slid that bit, y'all, but I need alignment, so my bad. Is that a fucking cow? Oh no. Yo, I'm tripping. I thought that was a fucking cow, bro. A random ass nigga. Look at that, stupid ass. Window a little bit, get some pulls. trap mode for y'all, man. We're gonna turn up for the last half of the vid. I'm saying. Uh-oh, Pitt County Sheriff. Oh, shit. Camaro want to have fun? What we doing? They don't want no smoke, man. They don't want no smoke, man. Oh, yeah. They don't want no smoke, man. She showing out today. Pink Mama showing out today. Your brother don't want no smoke. Son, I'm playing, man. Shout out to you, man. Oh, good. Downtown cutting up, man. Potholes of hell. I do need to get in this lane. Let me over. Oh yeah, W man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that mirror trying to slide through. Yeah. this truck got to get out the way, fam. What the fuck? Yeah, hit that. I'm about to hit that right with you. Yeah, I want one smoke to him. That boy's scary. Anyway, that might be the end of this video. I just want to drop a video for y'all. Some different shit, you know what I'm saying? Quiet, kind of me talking, kind of me not talking. You feel me? Just some different shit. But if y'all enjoy this shit, y'all, you feel me? Smash that like button to let me know y'all fuck with this shit. And you feel me? I'm going to drop more. But with that being said, it's been your boy PSY Driver. And we is out this motherfucker. Hold on. One more pull for y'all. One more pull for y'all. Hold on. One more. This. Hold on. One more pull. Alright, man. Let me go ahead for 12. Be on me, man. Don't got time for them. But yeah, Psycho Bit the Game, Rob Bit the Game. Love y'all nigga. We out there, motherfucker. Let's do it. Yeah.